Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you how I made this quick and easy delicious pancake. Let's get started. So I'm pouring in 1 cup of milk into a bowl, and then I add in 2 eggs and mix it together. I'll be adding in 3 tablespoons of melted butter and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Next, I'll be adding in 1/2 cup of warm water and then 4 tablespoons of sugar. So I'll be using 1 bowl of plain flour and I'll be sieving it bit by bit, and I added in my salt. The reason why I'll be doing it bit by bit is because I wanted to get the right consistency. So I divided the flour in 3 parts. So I'll be sifting it 3 times. And that's the last one. And then I mix everything together. So I'm spreading in my oil across my pan. But you can use any kind of oil you got. You can use butter. Some people use butter for frying as well. But I'm just going to use my vegetable oil. And then you make sure your oil is hot before you start frying your pancakes. So what I'm doing is I'm just lifting it up to see if it's cooked, and then I'll flip it over and continue frying it till it turns golden brown. That's the first one done. So I'm just going to repeat the process till the mixture is finished. Yeah. At this point, the kids kept asking, "Mommy, are you done? Mommy, are you done?" They couldn't wait to have a taste. It was so good. The smell, it was delicious. Just try this simple recipe and let me know how it turned out. Now it's eating time. I'm just giving my kids their pancakes to try and give me their feedback. It was good, I can tell you that. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.